Today is Monday, November 11th. Thank you for joining me again for Amazon Sellers News, where I get to share with you information to help you sell more and avoid suspensions. At the end of today's news broadcast, I'm going to talk to you about who can and who cannot help you with IP complaints against you. But first breaking news story is seller versus seller dirty tricks. Sellers are leaving more negative feedback against other sellers. Sellers are leaving more negative reviews against their competitors. And sellers are also leaving clearly fake positive reviews in a way to hurt other sellers. Seller versus seller dirty tricks are on the rise. Amazon sellers who have private label, more and more of your listings are being attacked by Amazon vendors. So if you are a seller, stop attacking other sellers. If you are selling and you receive some of these just attacks against you by other sellers, give us a call. We have ways that we can help you to defend yourself against seller versus seller attacks, but they're just increasing tremendously. Second breaking news story, the Voorhies law firm has obtained 2 more big clients. Nestle and Crocs have hired the Voorhies firm. Voorhies is sending threatening letters to sellers selling Nestle and Crocs products. If you receive one of their letters, the vast majority of their allegations are absolutely baseless. Number 2, you do not have to send Voorhies any information at all, but you should absolutely consult with us or another law firm to see whether or not any of the claims may have merit against you. Third breaking news story. Amazon disposing of inventory does not mean that they are destroying inventory. There are several liquidators out there where Amazon is shipping palletfuls of products that have been returned, private label products, branded products, expiring products. They are out there. And if you're an Amazon seller, and this is where you're sourcing your products from, you have to be super careful. Because while Amazon is selling the products themselves, therefore there is some representation that the products are genuine, these products have already been kicked out of Amazon's system once. And if you're going to put them back into the mix, you have to be really careful. But this is definitely a growing area of business where Amazon's disposal via liquidators, pre-labeled, SKUs already on them. But I want you to be really careful that if you're buying from these liquidators, you're buying from products that are already funneled through Amazon, you got to be really careful about how you're relisting them on Amazon so that you don't suffer the same fate. On our blog, AmazonSellersLawyer.com, you go to our blog, you could put in any issue at all, any issue that you're facing, FBA, suspensions, IP complaints, Amazon lending issues, and you're going to get great information from me and my team. Last issue for today. This is what I asked you to hold on to. Intellectual property right complaints against sellers are absolutely rampant. Trademark complaints, copyright complaints, patent, trade dress, complaints by sellers who don't even own any intellectual property rights. And here's who can help you realistically. 1, you can help yourself. If you're a seller and you receive an IP complaint, you can clearly address that complaint yourself. If it's a brand, you can contact the brand, contact the complainant, let them know that your products are 100% genuine, and negotiate for the retraction of that complaint. Who can also help you? A law firm who knows intellectual property law and specifically how it relates to Amazon sellers. Here's who cannot help you. Consultants who are non-lawyers, okay? A non-lawyer cannot contact a brand manager. A non-lawyer cannot deal with an IP lawyer. You need to know what IP law is. You need to know when things are outside the first sale doctrine. You need to know whether or not there's a violation. You also need to know what it says in your contract with Amazon, the new TOS. So you can help yourselves, and a lawyer or a law firm familiar with both intellectual property law and Amazon can also help you. Also, if you haven't already, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Every time we have more information for you, you will get a ding. Also, you will learn about the new terms of service, IP issues, used sold as new, inauthentics, how to look at invoices. And join me again tomorrow morning for another episode of Amazon Sellers Breaking News.